the share button. Thank you. 21 months alone. You share. We enjoy the peaceful piece of music, want to dance all the way from the northern zone, the savannah. Greetings. Salute. Enjoy your music while you take one small water, hot water you take. You prepare for the show. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow ambassadors, once more, una good evening, wherever una de diaspora, ground zero, ground one, refugees for La République, we una de watch me, una good evening, our prisoners for Kolenge, Douala prison, Victoria prison, Boya prison, Bamenda prison, wherever una find una self in captivity, una good evening. I bring una revolutionary greetings all the way from Europe. Say the struggle in the good footing. Where una place una dey, una no lost confidence, una build momentum, una build the zeal, una know say our freedom e dey around the corner. The handwritings e be written on the wall, we dey see am. We no need for talk, we no need for feel am. You know say even Bible say when the end time shall come, you will see plenty wahala. So I think say our own end time become, and we see plenty, a lot of distraction and all the light. It means say our independence is there around the corner. So any place una dey in captivity, actually una salute, say una good evening once more. Yes, we go. Before I want move to the show, I want just use this opportunity for thank my strong supporters the way they dey behind me, for direct me for the right tracks. When I do a show or I do a show where I not talk, where I talk where it be contrary or you know foster the revolution, I want appreciate the people they call me for back. They say, bro, if you talk so, next time you talk so, next time you talk so, because I be one of that person where I not believe in on myself over. I believe say plenty ideas that if you build a nation, I not believe say only my own idea it must work. So I want appreciate all my supporters the way they call me behind, any man way they call me behind for advise me say I will do so. I want thank una very much because they say water it lost now because say you no get person for directly. Yes, now why the way water you see water no get a direction because say in the waka you one you no get person for directly because if you even get person for directly you no go see water the waka meander where the waka like snake. So and they say one hand you know we build a bundle. So we need people on board. So even organization, you know if be organization you want. So I want to appreciate any man like even the post, some posts I make some people call me say no that post you know first start the revolution immediately. I move the post immediately. I move the post because anything way you want to do think about say if you not way go first start the revolution then you do it. If you not think way no first start, but you know say I feel reason I'm always say go first start, but people say no way you do and so you go there so you do and so you know this so I get for move on. So I want to appreciate una very much because now the real patriot of Ambazonians. Then that we want. So if your brother do something will be wrong, call you for back. You tell you say, bro, this thing way you talk for your live show. This small point, you know, be there fine. Next time, if you come, you correct them. Yes. The partial way I go down, I don't get series of call. Yeah, people the way they appreciate the one the way they appreciate. Nearly all man appreciate, but some man go talk so no this play for talk so. So I take all comments because positive criticism. If you do a program where you don't get people the way they direct to, you feel still fail. Yeah, now why that way I not be one man activist. I be activist of the people where if you feed me with information, you present that for the way it be good. I can't give for Ambazonian people because not all man get the opportunity for can't talk for media. You know, all man get the opportunity for show a face. So if you get some strong vital information where you need to me pass through Ambazonian, you present them, they make we dialogue, we see the possibility. I come for online, I present them. So I want to thank my supporting fandom and even the one they share my my post, even the one they share my audio and my videos. I say I salute una all. I appreciate all una effort for because una try to send the message me reach to all level because the information where we send them una think say na better information for foster the revolution. I thank una and I appreciate. Okay, now we go for the show proper. In between, I will come in with the good news and the bad news for Kumba LGA. When I see how I be post yesterday, some people even call me for ask I give them, but I will talk for Ambazonian people some certain issues in the way We will not need to talk about social media because it will derail, it will demoralize other people. So now why that way you see so issues in the way we don't need to talk them. But the good news for Northern Zone, I will bring them the bad news for Kumba LGA. I will also bring her in. Okay. First, for the day, we'll go on collaboration. Fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, my own opinion on collaboration. We see our social media now, it cry on collaboration. I be host on show. I talk say any man way it kick against collaboration. It means say you know like this revolution. I be talk say any man way the kick against collaboration. It means say you know like this revolution because all man why reach boya. But when I be post so my post about Ayok Taber say be a dictator, some person can write some rubbish garbage. I say well, my own opinion. Now the way, if not the way that way you want to criticize person by caution person, fool, idiot, did this, useless, did this, well, I don't care. Because you way you coach me, now you are your family. You don't know you are your family, now my family too know. So when you coach me, I be fool, I be this, it not concern you. I be fool, it concern me and my family. So you not concern you. You will be the highest educated person for ambassador, or you be the most handsome ambassador, or you be this. Why you never take we to boya? Where you think say their own ideology by criticizing, by coaching, now you be the best. I don't like to coach people, but no coach me. Okay, that goes to a collaboration. I be talk say any man will not like collaboration. That means say true, you don't like independence. Now, for all indication where we get up as far as this collaboration issue is concerned, fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, we get to be very technical. Very technical. I mean that kind of person before one can go online for can't talk something, I must verify. I need just can't talk because I don't go feel someday say man I don't can't talk anything a day for my mind. We go talk. We go investigate, and then we reason. We get to be very technical to the collaboration platform with the client. We get to be very technical to the platform where we cry for collaboration. Team Act. It then at the platform that way ambassador people as a whole. It don't put up for collaboration. And it talk again Team Act. Now the platform that way ambassador people don't put up for collaboration. Any leader where he want collaboration, join the Team Act. I want to talk for ambassador people. Team Act. No be IG get Team Act. No be Bohebe get Team Act. No be Apanga get Team Act. Team Act is a platform for ambassadors. Now, whether we see Team Act, not be the executive for the interior government, it will Team Act. Team Act, you get one representative from the interior government, you get one representative, or one or two to the take and then you get representative for Ground Zero. Abu Karim, he dey inside Team Act. Abu Karim dey inside Team Act. If they even tell una members when they inside Team Act, una job go fall. And they tell una if they tell members when they inside Team Act, when they talk say me they go with that Swiss initiative, the Swiss that all with the cry. When una see the delegation go march go there, all man will be quiet. Una not even talk. Because some people don't want to try to destroy the Team Act. Now, I mean, post on post, they post, they move on. Don't want to, but I'll be very sorry for that post. Some people want to try to destroy the Team Act. Because when they destroy Team Act, La Republic now will get a ground, so will not get a collaborating platform where we send our information. Now, by the way, some people they want to see all possible means to destroy Team Act. Okay, now, Collaboration. What we mean by collaboration? Okay, I want Green for say, for my opinion, I want Green say yes. We collaborate. Ayabacho, we collaborate. Akpanga, collaborate. Seseko, collaborate. Now, una listen. Make them not use na internet government where they not recognize am for make sure say that our internet government now it will be their basket for money where they will come with collaboration. Then we will support the internet government. We contribute money give them. They start fight until that money. When they want collaborate, Dr. Ayabacho, he said he never ever recognize the internet government. He recognize the internet government like group, like oh yes, we green. You Seseko, you say not recognize the internet government. You recognize your own group. Yes, you green. Akwanga, you say not recognize the internet government. You recognize your own group. You green. Okay, now. Me, any member of a group. And then the internet government too, where they say to be group. Now, they will collaborate based on weighty. Now, me, Ayabacho, come with $1 million US. You are Seseko, you come with $1 million US. Akwanga, you come with $1 million US. All una come with money. Una put them down. Una decide, okay, una want collaborate for material. Una want collaborate for diplomacy. Una want collaborate for this. Una put down money. Any man, because any man get a group. Since when they don't recognize the internet government, they get their own group the way they will contribute their own money. Because me, they don't know what to say, collaboration, then it come now, they say, me, the internet government go raise fund. And then when the internet government raise fund, they now don't recognize that internet government, now they want to take, they want to be like equal share. Fellow ambassadors, we give a big reason. We give a team. When they talk say collaboration, yes, my talk, not them. They give about the cry collaboration. I want to give us a small background history where we don't get them. Plenty people, I mean, enable them. La République, na hear well. Una hear very well. La République, the one use collaboration to destroy the internet government. Now another strategy that don't come in. We know very well. We don't investigate. And he have to say only themselves if they tell we. Them the leak secret. La République, he want use this road map for collaboration for destroy the internet government because, for example, how it will happen? Now, first of all, they never will recognize the internet government. They don't recognize our internet government. Secondly, they don't recognize our president, Sako, as a leader. Now, when they go form a coalition of collaboration, where that coalition of collaboration, they take the IG, the internet government, as equal partner. Now listen, when they go form that coalition of collaboration, then they for them. Now, because, for example, see, when Dr. Sako go there, he won as a platform. Akwanga come, he won like a platform. Ayabacho come, he won like a platform. Seseko come, he won like a platform. All the other parties they come, only they like a platform. When I know say now, I didn't know when they say now we want to collaborate. They will say now we want to collaborate. Okay. We keep all things aside. We dissolve any other thing where it exists. You Ayabacho dissolve your ADF. You dissolve your this. You dissolve your this. Then the internet government now, it will be dissolved. You see now they go form a coalition now, a team where automatically the internet government will be it exists again. And then you see now the enabler now they come now with the Republic agenda aside. We say we say the struggle. When I don't see how now they will say the struggle because when they come in, they say they do election. Who will be our leader? They don't even vote our president because friend look at me, Seseko, Yabacho, all they don't even vote our president. So they almost vote now the majority where they form that small clique group them. You now understand? Now they will say they do election, they will vote enabler, they will vote man no get the aspiration of Southern Cameroon Ambazonians. So we going to be very technical when it comes to collaboration. Me they join the Team Act. I be very tongue and say more forget about collaboration. We empower our internet government, our LGA. We see what will go happen. I mean, I say move just even cover our eye. We need to hear what will go on. We forget the noise about them. Then we empower our LGA and our the internet government. We see what will go happen. Okay. Collaboration. Move up. What will be happen for 2018 for DC? Where where Ayabacho they form a collaborative platform. What will be happen? We are going to be happen or we don't forget. When the internet government be raise money, as I said, Ayabacho become for that. He become that. They become with how many members? All man we inside that hall. The internet government. They raise money. When they be raise money, I think we worth almost 30,000 US dollars. They say me they buy. They say me they join that money, buy materials. Because we not join money where our boys they die for them. We take that money, we share them. They say me they buy material. They share that materials. I have actually be denied say me they send all money for the coffers. Now here very well. I have actually be denied say make them send their own money. Now problem that will start. And then what you make me would think say when the people they will fight with the collaboration, they will come see. They will come. Una listen very well and una we hear move put up for our brain score. When people they enter where they don't go for Team Act. They will ask say what war draft, what did this. That means say all them so they get neck. All the way they talk about collaboration, they get neck for the money where the internet government control them. They want to control the money, they don't bring their own share. They want to control the money. Any man way you like the idea of collaboration, they have me I like them. See what we go do, we tell Ayabacho say go join Team Act. We go tell Siseko say tell Irima me go join Team Act. We go tell now we get say remain. Now then two they say who leader. John Bakuro consult you know they exist. So I don't even call me John Bakuro I don't even look at any man consult na partner they be ulam. Partner be a leader or consult you. So I don't know say John Bakuro come on own. Now Ayabacho we and Siseko. We Siseko go form a parallel government. Without Siseko if we na Ayabacho you one. If we na Ayabacho you one. So we're going to be very technical when it comes to the aspect of collaboration. We want to collaborate, we bring until them. We just say, okay, the internet government, led by His Excellency Dr. Samuel Sarko Ekome, you bring 500 US dollars, 500,000 US dollars. You Akwanga bring 500,000 US dollars. I have told you to bring 500,000 US dollars. So they call you to bring 500,000 US dollars because all we get groups them, we get account. We the manage them. We the manage account because if we want to take on ourselves like I have control Ambazonian. Yes, it means say na you hold Ambazonian no. That means say you hold the population Ambazonian. You supposed to bring every 1 million. They bring that inside the platform. We join that money the core people. We say collaborate for that level. No, say we want to collaborate. Now when we don't see the internet government succeed, if they do a world draft, think that they happen for Grand Zero, we want to use a collaboration tendency for destroy the government. It don't work. Then secondly, the collaboration where the people don't even fight. They want to destroy Team Act. Matthew very well. That collaboration, their plans now we can destroy Team Act. Because they don't say as a team act. Now the only unified body where they gave a lead way to the Swiss initiative. Now they see how even la Republic, they don't talk about, even Bishop Kinyale, they talk about la Republic was the end. Now for Swiss. They don't talk about. I mean, say la Republic, la media, they don't talk about Swiss. Say all these activities they will la end for Swiss. So if they also talk about it, means also they go for back. So they go for back way. We don't know here, but the signal. We get signal for them. All them, they talk about. Say, La Republic is making noise, they will have a Swiss initiative. So the people where they don't like the idea of the Swiss initiative, that they call it collaboration platform in order to can destroy the team act. We go for be very wise. We will never deny collaboration. Me no man no quote me anywhere say we will dey against collaboration. I thought say yes, collaboration is good. Collaboration platform is team act. Go join team act. Anything you need about team act will give you. See, when all they don't join with team act, they say yes, the team act. If team act decides, if team act will say okay, they don't join the collaborative platform, they lack money for diplomacy, they lack money for this. And Brazilian people will raise that money, give them. But we will not raise money, give individuals. We will not raise money, give individual pockets, lies. We will raise money, give team act. Because we know that the trust body, that unified body, that way, it leads way to the Swiss process. But for talk say, we raise money, give to one individual, it will be very difficult. It will be very difficult. So we have to be very careful, very vigilant when it comes to this issue where it comes to collaboration. Okay, now we go to Siseko prison where some person will catch me. When I told you Siseko be dictator, I never catch personality. You when you go catch Paul Biya say Paul Biya be dictator. They don't do you it. Any leader be objected to criticism and dictator. Now another way that for tell the leader say what you do. Now batting. If I just say be dictator, if you don't be dictator, disprove me. Plenty leader they don't call you say dictator. They say Obama a dictator, this one a dictator, this one a dictator. So Siseko na got where if they just say be dictator and then you can insult my personality. That one go, okay, you were the audio. Might not read so small, I think I 1 or 2 paragraphs. For where Siseko write them, where he decision to come from prison. I don't talk say, when I see that why Siseko, it not be one, it no want anything. When no naive for the moving train. I want to say, it no want anything. It like that we bring a peace between Dr. Sako and Siseko. It no ever bring provided. It no say if you don't be calling president, call the other man vice. It no will work. Now see, thank God say the God of Ambassador need sleep. The God of Ambassador not sleep there. Now how for do it? Now man that they don't catch it in a lucky. If they for prison. If they want to control the take decision for prison, they sack people. Say you want come then na you want be. He said na me they leave the resolution for you. Man don't read 2 paragraphs the way he write, then we analyze. The man way it was Siseko be dictator, then the economy wrong. Let's see. Okay, now Ayok Tabe fire Ngonji Dika, chairman for and Andrew Ambezia from Struggle Leadership by Jeremiah 51 reported as related by Pa Tassan. The occasion was meeting that took place in the Yaoundé Principal Prison, popularly known as BFM, on Sunday, Friday 7, 2021, in the calm of a spitting cobra, and in the presence of the two elders and leaders of the Southern Cameroon Ambazonian struggle, Ayok Tabe declared, I have told our senior Pamfor and the Reverend Abeza that they should stand by and let me lead the struggle to Buea. This is not the first time that the incarcerated leader of the prison interim government faction is making this arrogant declaration. We learned from the prison money meditation puppets. Early in January 2021, Ayok Tabe reportedly summarized the struggle into 3 areas. The first, according to him, was that of His Majesty Gonji Ndika. The second is the Pamfor and Reverend Abeza era. And the third, last, is Ayok Tabe and Ayabacho era. He said these old men should stand by and allow him and Ayabacho to lead Ambazonia to Buea. Those are the prayers meeting where shocked to the marrow, but as though it's a trance, everyone kept quiet. So it still continue. Okay, now, fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, when I don't read that paragraph for Ayok Tabe, where he talk. This one will be dictatorship or na democracy. I want to ask Ambazonian people, this one now wait. Because if you would say we will be a democratic citizen from the beginning, yeah, then you to say, my way the revolution means step aside, he block me for waiting. He not block them. That part they block them, they don't block you. When the people president of Ambazonian will be blocking, no man will block you. Then it talks Ayabacho and he. Now they lead the struggle. See, I want to see we will be very careful. See, this man will call now which man he showed the man Ayok Tabe now. I don't know how to call him a monster. Now monster. See, before I want continue Ayok Tabe, my play wait to number talk for Ayabacho. When I be playing on the other live show, I know this part no be there. This part no be there. Recently, my play wait to number talk, and then when listen what you say when you talk Ayabacho, we never know if truly these people is there and will take me to Buea or that they work with La Republic. Let's see. Sir.
So simple thing. No, go out the name power.
I not send that audio. Okay.
True, as you talk, and then I see the year talk. So people in the way they profit for back, that they chop government money, then they profit for back. That situation.
Now listen.
For Bush for say they so big a belly pick again pass.
What that man talk, I've done the talking since. What shall ever talk and become to reality? The last one where I just
now listen, wait your number talk. Last week.
Before I forget them. I want to remember the people they call themselves Ambazonia. When I see this group where they for Kruge, that Chuayaba.
Yes.
You see somebody to drop down their weapon. Okay. You should go for the see 8 and a few. I want to ask something. Now they work for peace, make peace come. You know how many people really very boy the question if I'm going to arrest the other time, okay. They go kill 39 people. After they don't kill about 8 people, we're going to kill 39 people. We're going to go this and kill them.
Sorry?
Why is a minute to go attack you?
No.
They way this Cameroon could understand.
Now listen.
The they would like to respect my talk, but sometimes it don't be too late. The people when they did for this same government, we try about the work with them. So that me at the end, me they can dialogue with you. Me too, I prepare for wait them for that end.
Okay, una listening. If we stand for here, the talk say this man for Konenge no be compromised or this. See, we have to be very careful with this struggle. Una listening, I don't know last week when Nambere, I know I'm a Nambere for any one bit, but I go take a statement there. Nambere, when I see Nambere, when you go war front, anything military, they go show high out for our resistance fighters. And it is see where it happen for battlefield. It just said, I have actually work with La Republic military. And it said that it work with the government. Now remember say, I have actually because Seseko the big brief for Konenge. Where Seseko, it just say the negotiation will go on. When time Seseko say negotiation will go on, ambassador for the camp for social media, they say death on arrival. We say we not fit anything come up with you, now death on arrival. What the Minister of Communication for La Republic talk, is not negotiation will go on. He said they be fool them. Before Ayabacho, Kato say he move himself from that clip. Say he move himself. When I see the mafia, where they go on before the two. When I remember saying that Ayabacho be the first person forever tell Seseko na Johnny just come. Ayabacho be the first person to try to destroy the internal government. Tell us Seseko be there for down. When I see the link now, when I go understand the game where they go on. When I see the link, the same people when they contact Ayabacho, the same people when they contact Seseko. The same people they contact Ayabacho, the same people contact. When I tell Seseko say, when I know say me, he know say Ayabacho Efam that Akanji when one better Akanji they only give Efam 5 million, 4 million. They only give Efam catch before the one can bury 4 million. I tell Seseko say he know say Ayabacho they take money for people. Ambassador they want bury them. Ambassador they don't die. They want bury them. They go pay money for Ayabacho. Now they gang the way Ayabacho the support and then some people of them offend we say we need to call me rest. Some people of them say Seseko the support Ayabacho. Then when I stand the talk say we leave. Ayabacho they take money for the key our people they every day. And now they key 29. Now yeah, now they key 29 the other day. Who knows? Now only them know people they go key Abazinian people. Una the year no. Now they key 29. Say again Ayabacho the war with the military. Because when negotiation go come, now them go succeed, but now they no work. But now this same Seseko way, Ayabacho way Seseko talk say now they two lead the struggle. I want ask Seseko say me look on the 1st of October. Who say we see ADF? Who say we see he get force for side? When I see how greedy the man for Konenge where he money for Sonarabi. Yeah, I'm gonna talk. If you not like, you not touch me. For the one with Seseko. That means say, we don't stop Chang. We do everything where, that means say, even Seseko wicked, like which kind human being. Upon all way to where Dr. Sarkozy do not enough appreciate everyone. And then when I talk to them on the struggle, when I say with them on the struggle, I be that kind of person where any player where supposed to do good at the talk. I don't care whether you will be my enemy, but when you do something, I go share them. Even at ADF. By the time I see ADF say why I can't be with that, I will share. Because the first time they struggle. That means upon all the year, Seseko not just even for one sentence. And not the fact say the internal government they do even 1%. 1% small good. It doesn't that I have actually control the struggle now. Yirima when you come on live video get three views. Ah, God. How wicked human being be. Una see how dictator. But una tell say Seseko. Would you hear say they will move anytime? Yes. Would you wait to? We hear say the people move Okonenge anytime he can destroy the struggle. Because they say, I say, when you come out, you go form a fraction. When Bala and Fontaine will come out, what do they do? We pull them for the. I even want me the movie. For me, see, if they not Okonenge, it be relevant small pass where he come out. Mo pray, ambassador people na pray me the music say me make me come out as I know. Say ambassador people no dey for ye. Mo make me be irrelevant like Dr. Fontaine Niba, Bala, all them. The momentum where ambassador people they gather. Tell Bala be there. Everything say when he come out of prison, ambassador people. Anytime he go talk, will say yes. But ambassador people are too intelligent. No man no ever go for kangaroo court for prison. For your own they come back the same. Come back the same. So before anyone come out, we already know it's time. So ambassador people will not even hear. And with the years of Rome say they feel pardon me or they do this because rope. Il don't tie for la République inerte. Rope, il don't tie for la République inerte. Now, whatever you see la République, anytime soon, their last cut, where they want plan, now this kind of collaboration and try to destroy Team Act. So, if you, when you watch me, when you believe on this struggle, when you believe on Yabacho, you believe on Seseko, they say collaboration, me join Team Act. They say collaboration, me join Team Act. We now see how wicked human being he be. C'est ce que c'est. Na ye Ayabacho they control this struggle. Okay. The good news when you come out for Bamenda. Una ask ce que c'est who they do that in there. Una ask tell ce que make am brief ambassador people what he happen for Limbe. Sorry, Victoria. Poncham. Una ask the Comika break ambassador people. What he happen for Njikwa? Una ask the Comika break ambassador people. What he happen for Metazen? Una ask the make a break ambassador people. What did it take place? Who did announce lockdown? Who did give the decision of Ground Zero? In recent decision when they get lockdown, ADF come up with kick against. What did happen? When I ask Seseko, me it can brief we the state of the revolution of Ground Zero where he said that he control Ground Zero. You remember know a name for two fighters. We not hear their own project where they class say big rubber gun. Ambassador people, when I don't see so actively come for can't talk say big rubber gun as scam. They are me they do their own thing. They leave the internet government. Me the internet government do their own thing. But fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, we don't listen. We don't see what way they happen for Konenge. Always Seseko. It also come out. And small, with the year, say the film movie, with the year, say the film movie, me can destroy the struggle. But we don't take the stand. We don't take the stand. We get a one leader. And the internet, our president, His Excellency Dr. Samu Sapu Ekome, there would only be a very unified structure. Who can destroy the LGA? How you pass the LGA? How you pass one destroy the LGA? How you pass one destroy the county? My fellow ambassadors, when I see how wicked this young man, this powerful Konenge, very wicked a man. I even think say in his he go even acknowledge the internet government he call na even call a group even talk say Dr. Sako don't do something. If he talk say he don't appreciate Dr. Sako too for do something. They too greedy. So when the Okato say Dr. Sako be take my trip to Boya do this. Ye it come when they start organize money give you and let me see you wash every hand. Anyway wash 1,000 euros or what? The one thing people say be like money. Tell them be there, no struggle. Why them the way I can't watch them? Why them sleep? They can't continue to sleep. See, what way it happen for this struggle? I say, Dr. Sakoka in with a unified structure where he stop individual groups for getting money. When I know say when this struggle be start, plenty fraction group they be there online. This man said, this man, any man don't come group for this, my this. She call the car with the commando this man car with this Magbarata car with off Sunday offering. Any man car with this, any man car with this. People be enrich themselves with the strong and that way they enrich themselves. The unified body when they contribute individual level give Siseko. Since no man because it will take actively take up that small group. Now why that way you see a lot of embezzlement. If there, if when I see when Dr. Sako take power of the leaders when they be well circle, now they come out, you know, sack them. Why? Because the road where they be the user for get money for the struggle need to enter. The road where they be the user for get money for the struggle need to enter. We now imagine who's a SBC TV idea. Who's a SBC TV idea? Who's a money where pastor say cry they will Milan at them? Who's a day? So when I see the this man Tabeyan Brado, he take his own share. So when I see the level of corruption where we there within that his own area. Every Ayabacho can what we hear Ayabacho deny. Then I now they talk to Ayabacho, very greedy a man, very wicked. Sisiko is a very wicked man. Natasha is a very, very wicked man. The go form to ask a youth council. What an youth council now wait. With the weight. With the weight. So we go for I think say we go for the good news and the bad news for the northern zone. Move go for the bad news. I think say over the week. Now the last show before this show, I began announce a good news for Balandi. Where our restoration forces they be attacked for Balandi, and then La République agent they go bomb house for Balandi. I don't mind doing that. They go bomb house for Balandi. But recently, we have said we lost a very brave fighter. A very brave fighter. A very, very brave fighter for Balandi. A very, very brave fighter for Balandi. But I want to talk this one. Some people they have a group, they attack say activists, they do this, do this, do this. Despite the fact say with the top, there are certain issues, certain things in the way we need to talk about. For the betterment of the struggle, we need to talk. I say certain things in the way we need to talk about. When I see the fighter where die for the brave fighter, they call it both. Like it or you take it. Tony, be responsible for your death. I need to talk, go all calm down. Tony, be responsible for your death. Now look here. Any man when you talk for the fighters, you go understand their level. See, the fighter they be submissive pass before they be too educated and they listen very well and they take precaution. most of the fighters, the atrocity they commit, people with diaspora, they feed them information. The fighter, if he be one of the brave fighter, he don't touch military well. That one we know the facts. The facts we will give for the argue. He don't do military well. But something tell me say man not talk this one. Something say man don't leave am because man don't talk am so that all that fighter they go learn sense. When I want the last show that we talk say as from now we no go hear any killing or any death of our fighters except say they go set them. Except say they go set them. When some person go set them, all this not the same thing that way it happen for that fighter. A black leg set he. And why the black leg set he? Because the locality where you live, they don't like it. The locality where it live, they no like it. I'm not going to talk think the way if he worry, but the locality where he don't do rough work. He don't do rough work. Just of recent, ma tell you what happen. He come go cooker. He come go cooker. Because Tony, he tell you say me if fight Supreme General for the whole meme. Tony tell you say me fight Supreme General for the whole meme. Where Supreme General there for the whole meme na General Spiritu. He self the fighter. He don't go right for Spiritu. They build Spiritu stay. He cut Spiritu in cafe the bet. When I see the intoxication where diaspora it put our pikin their head and ma tell una he die. Una go hear say the Spiritu go move for game. But that Spiritu look am na petit frère. Go for me and then she should go up, she should go up. They say now the control territory. You control territory. Oh God. But that one, it was a great fighter. But the idea where diaspora put our fighter that hit. Ma tell you now, I want to talk today for Kumba LGE. Ma talk. Any man who argue with me. Any man who argue with me. No say be wishman for the revolution. You were there for Kumba LGE from the beginning. I mean from the beginning, I will pop. That will start from Meme County. You will if you argue me. Kumba forces never ever need them for battlefront. So most of them they die. After the setup of this, all the chairman say me go arrest. We get fighter, the brave fighter where he lost him. The general even died before above. He go now for go arrest different fighter. He go muto military the ambush. The other one come out. Why the one go arrest fighter the both sides? Why the one go do it? They go ambush military. Why would they talk every day? See, why when they were hot we? Now say we too they talk on this fighter every day. I talked with this guy. I talked with him last week. Like so some person can make noise for some forum. I tell you say if you want to make noise, approve. I send the audio where or I give you number. Me call. I give you number. Me call person where he talk with the fighter before he won for what last week. So person give me number, ma intervene. No be all thing we can't talk for social media. Where we can't debate the internet government say, Kumba, I debate internet me, I need the fight position for Kumba LGA because I don't feel they I say no, I don't like position because my activity is a bit enough. I know one position, I know one be for security for Kumba LGA. I leave a bet. At the what? See, me the internet government can't take Kumba. If the internet government can't take Kumba because again with other LGA where it give accountability. But with the internet government, Council for Peace will reconcile. If take them, they will take FACO and will support 100%. Otherwise. When fighter, we actually happen to Kumba. Man, don't talk this one, don't broke the coconut. Actually happen to Kumba. You told the same fighters. Me go to investigate who did the action of Kumba. They send the fighters. So that when get mad, they do under action, they arrest the person. Why? Why would they fight? Why would they fight for liberate homeland? Why would they fight for liberate homeland? You know. So you want to go say I'm militias, they mean they go arrest another fighters, how will they be arrest Mombasa, beat them. Now the very guy will die to be beat Mombasa. Now the very person will die so when I see that video will be circulated, the whip some fighters with the wound. Now the very guy will die. I mean a very good guy will be fight. But that's for change mentality. Why we give a do so? So see, some of you now the top of the revolution, we don't know the impact when some of we will feel. And some of we hear say military not invest in area, you wouldn't sleep that night. Some people really sleep, but we know people they know what I mean. And they know what I mean. No, na ulti we give a cat talker. This boy they will know them. We know them personally. Some of the local stay with diaspora. Every time you don't know that boy personally. But some of we now make them grow. Some of the local stay with diaspora like 20 years. No, I don't know this people with them. Una own age made it all and they diaspora una be BB people. Una be BB people. Now why the way these people die in the hot now? Now our age made they die so. Now our age made they die so. Now 30 years people they 30, 31 years they die so. Now our age made they die so. But we didn't say we throw water for the fire back. Where I don't talk plenty things the way I don't need for reveal them. I no need for reveal them. But I talk the person where you the worker, you the back Tony. You were the worker the back Tony. Come back. You were the worker the back Tony. Come back. Then we go for the good news. Before I go for the good news of Abakwa, I want to talk about this post where I say we minimum for post. We see the recent bad news where happen for Nanquain Market, where Queen Market go on fire where intelligence delegation and la Republic they do that act. But as of the mayor on a deal they communicate. They say investigation is still go on, and they say it is not petrol fuel away. They put up for market, and then the fuel is light fire. But we also see recent post on Mimimo for way. It just say na Sama Thomas. He do that act. Say Sama Thomas he promise. Say he go burn that market and he don't do am. One time me for say play where it day. This part the fact say ambassador don't make it because without ambassador you ain't enough for travel. That one the facts. Without ambassador you ain't enough for travel. Ambassador don't make it don't be well recognized. They pay back for ambassador. Now for the sabotage, the struggle. I want you say which day Pastor Mato say go born Queen Market. And even show proof for saying that Pastor Mato born Queen Market. Una member, una record, he never record say Pastor Mato make an audio. Talk say La Republic plan for born Bamenda Market. And if the tribe of born Bamenda Market, they will hear from Mezam. Now they audio that. Maybe for if you don't get better story for fix your news. Find story, go to Uganda, Afghanistan, find story them. for suit your news. Pastor na say na audio. And he won't say La République was born Bamenda main market and if La I don't know if Pastor Ma get me for a personal number where he call me for back. He tell me for say na he born Queen Market or if he to say born Queen Market I don't do am. But that one if he talk that one na on top but me for say be very careful. Okay, now we go for the news for Bamenda. Now listen to news. When I don't listen to this.
Have you escort to the police? Have you work for special branch?
You work again for who side?
For special branch.
For who? They send you can't do it.
They said you said you can investigate who side Abba state.
So that means they can't kick you no.
Yes.
The advice we get for your colleague then as well.
I rather say any place that you say them for quarter, they no come. Abba they for offside for quarter, they will kill them.
That means you say Abba they all side. Say it's a town. Abba they is a town no.
Yes.
Muna no check say Abba they na it's a bush because for Sika say Abba they for all side. We una the command the castle will kick you all una. You don't see no.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Now they oh I no want show the video because it Facebook is circulate where inspectors police where they send me go investigate survey Amba the so that military will ambush. Before I want go for the one, Mado reply Bishop Kia, the Archbishop Kia, he respond to the call of Cameroon calling. He talk fine. He talk fine, but I want to reply say me ite cardinal say he talk say na ambassador dem na Nigeria dem they can't fight this war and all man don't drop weapon. Now Bishop Kia say me ask cardinal say who say he get that facts? Okay. That one pass. I just start small. This is now I want to go. Now we come to Bamenda. Fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens. The good news, see. That way I be here. This die for this our fighter for Kumba LGA. The team be shocked me very badly because they be carry a corpse go right for Kumba, go sample them. I cry the whole night. I say, where God? Why we not feel back up? Why we not feel back up? We do not get good news. We take their own attack. We take their own attack. Oh, I want to advise our restoration forces and I think that enabler call inspector of police. And I take he say they send me go investigate. In short. No talk that one. I want advise any enabler La République where they send you in disguise. We work out with the civilian attire enter quarter. We get monitors. We get people that they monitor una. I be tell una say when fighters they fight for the area genuine fighters when they fight for any area. Is shield now the population. When they come, the population will call you say it day for this so buy the dream. You don't catch it and take them. I say as we with the thing say La République it use our own people for show them we too the same way that it happen. We get the breaking good news for Abakwa. Forget inspector of police. Not been a biscuit. Forget inspector of police and emission. Now for ambassador. And we know how many where this man saw, this very man, he don't make a killer. Not be like first mission. It means he be expert to that for that mission, and he will know the terrain. He know the terrain very well for the this thing. When I say we get the restoration fighter now, Okay, una ask Seko say this fighters this act anybody do am. He know about the act. So, fellow Ambassadors, fellow citizens, we did win this war big time, and we can't forget about distractors. We can't forget about distractors. We focus on our contribution. We focus on our result. I will tell you, say, as this month the end go up, we will start hearing a good news. I say, as this month it is end start go up, we will start hearing na good news. We go hear na beam for this side, beam for this side, beam for la Republic. Una prepare very well, because we the camp. They say we don't surrender. This one then, this man they hold them. This Dio, one a Dio, inspector of police. Now they hold him. Now Nigeria they can't hold him. Now they are now who they hold this one now. We see how we send he lost Sudan, and then we see some fake news where they show and say they kill General Lion for Bamenda. They take some old picture they ever since the demonstration on Facebook with propaganda. So we give ambassador not get no General Lion. Now when I get General Lion where they want to kill away Morocco kill the other day. Now when I get General Lion, we will not get rid General Lion. Say General, say don't kill General Lion. What say they? Fake news. In that light, we go to RPG, the game changer. Fellow ambassadors, fellow citizens, as we keep writing, say next week, this weekend, we go hold a meeting again, our second meeting, working on RPG to foster the game changer of this revolution. Because we don't fight the revolution, the game changer in the camp so soon. We never relent our effort, but we will hear for we. And the meeting last week will be a successful one. This one we will continue the same meeting so that we will deliberate on the issue of the game changer. Now, so as of today, we're not going to call the name RPG again. We will call the name the game changer. You understand? We call the game changer. You understand? So, fellow ambassadors, any way he like the initiative of the game changer, you be free, and we get binding laws where we don't put that in place. We want to join the forum. If you read the laws, if it suits you, you join the forum. If it not suits you, then no sharing of audios, no sharing of this. Only the language of game changer in the forum. Thank you very much for watching, and we stay blessed.